Hi, I'm Sai. Today I'm reviewing this Cupluw 32-piece cupping kit or cupping set. I got this particular cupping set because my favorite massage therapists recommended this kit to me after using it on me. We're gonna go ahead and do a quick demo, but first let's go ahead and open this box up. See what you get. Packaging seems pretty nice. You've got your cupping set instructions here and a handy Meridians and AcuPoints chart and your actual cupping pieces. Here's your hose here. These pieces here are magnetic and they are not necessary, but they are kind of an added bonus of something you can do if you want to get magnets involved in your cupping. This is our pump. And here's one of our cups. The material is a sort of a hard type of plastic. And I know that you have to pull this up in order to make the cup work before connecting your hose to it. We'll go ahead and connect our hose here for a demonstration. Pull this and attach it. Let's go ahead and try it out. You saw how I connected the cup. Let's just see if it's easy to use right out of the box. I'm going to go ahead and roll up my sleeve here, put this cup on my shoulder, and you're supposed to do 3 to 5 pumps. So I'm holding it firmly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see I've got plenty of suction. I'll let you get a close-up look of it. And you're supposed to leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then, of course, in a regular session, you might be putting a lot of these on. So you remove the hose just like that. And then when you're ready to release these after 10 to 15 minutes, you just pull on this little orange piece here and it releases. And as you know, my massage therapist did use this cupping kit on me. So I already know that I like it. This was very simple to use. If you follow the instructions exactly as I showed you in this video, you'll have no problem doing it yourself. So my first impression is that this cupping kit is great. I thought this was worth showing you too. My daughter learned how to do this in a minute, probably or less. And so this one has a contour on it. Can you take it off and show them the contour? So you can see it's contoured so it can fit in places on your body where you don't have necessarily a flat surface, but maybe like a rounded surface like you do on part of your leg. So I hope you enjoyed my first impressions review of this Cupla 32-piece cupping kit. It's really easy to use. If you did like this review, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. If you want to help support this channel, please use the links in the description or scan the QR code in this video to purchase, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Try to break me down, but all she did was spark a legend.